Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the heating element, the one that you see right here, and as you can see it's just completely blown up. Like you can see the inside of it, you can see the material that is inside the heating element all around the entire heating element itself. This was also inside the boiler, inside many of the little places in there. We had to really clean up, remove this thing and clean everything that he messed up. Basically all this little material was just all over the place inside the machine. So we cleaned that out, inserted a new heating element, put a new gasket for the heating element, as well as a new gasket for the boiler. We also replaced the water pump. This water pump is from 2013, as you can see right there on the date, and it's been working for quite a while, so it was best to replace the water pump. Right now for the machine, we are waiting for it to steam, and after that we're gonna be doing an espresso shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I think that should be enough to see the steam coming out of the machine. Right, perfect, that's enough to purge it. You can see nice steady steam coming out of the machine, working excellently, working perfectly fine. We're gonna refill the boiler. We don't wanna damage the heating element. There we go. It's cooling down, cooling down, cooling down. Once we see a nice steady stream of hot water coming out through there, we know that the boiler is cooled down and we should be ready to do an espresso shot. Like as you saw, it had nice pressure building inside the boiler. We already had the boiler already open. Let me see if I can find that. Perfect. You can see the boiler in there, the new heating element. No leaks or anything like that. Working great. So let's do our espresso shot. Like I say, hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I hope I tampered correctly, and unfortunately I used a very fine coarse grind. As you saw, it was just flowing like drip coffee. Let me redo that again and let me use a much finer grind. Okay, I put a much finer grind. I tampered correctly. Hopefully it will extract the way it's supposed to. A bit much better. You can see the crema coming out of the shot. Let's stop it right here. That was a much better shot. Our coffee is very old, so apologize for not having a nicer flow, but as you can see, even with our older coffee and not on the best grind settings, we had a nice espresso shot coming out of the machine. Really good crema on top of it, and excellent color as well. Looking really great. And as you can see, we still have a little bit of liquid on the portafilter, so I should have put a tiny little bit more of coffee and tempered it a little bit extra hard, a little bit harder, in order to get a much perfect shot. Right now, as you can see, the shower head, the flow from the shower head coming out of the machine is excellent. You can see the separate little drips coming out of the group head, and it's just working great. So there you have it, Rancilio with a new heating element and a new water pump. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.